Hi guys, so today we are firing up the kitchen with a Goan delicacy that's bursting with flavor, Goan Pork Green Masala. This dish is a testament to Goa's rich culinary heritage, blending Portuguese influence with Indian spices. We'll be using a vibrant green masala made with fresh green chilies, coriander, and other spices to create a spicy, tangy, and utterly delicious pork preparation. Get ready for a flavor explosion that will transport you straight to the sunny shores of Goa. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 800 grams pork meat, boneless and cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon vinegar, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then to make the green masala, take a mixer jar. Add 1.5 cup coriander leaves. Add 2 onions sliced, 8 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger roughly cut, 3 green chilies, half teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, half cup water, and then blend it to a smooth paste. So the green masala is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 1 onion chopped and fry the onion until it is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add the marinated pork meat and fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes on a high flame until pork releases its own fat. As you can see that the pork has released its own fat. Then at this point add the green masala. Then fry the masala for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the masala nicely cook with the pork fat. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And add 1 cup water. Add 1 stock cube and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And add some salt to taste. Then give it a mix. And then cook it for another 5 minutes until the curry is nice and thick. Then give it a final mix. And there you have it guys, a fiery and flavorful Goan Pork Green Masala. I hope you enjoyed this culinary trip to Goa with me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below how your dish turned out. And please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious and adventurous recipes. I hope you and your loved ones enjoy this Goan Pork Green Masala as much as I do. It's a dish that truly captures the spirit of Goa. Spicy, vibrant and full of life. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and share this taste of Goa with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.